So this is the daily LeetCode problem, and in this we have to check if a parenthesis string can be valid. Parenthesis string means if this string is valid and the order of sequence for this open bracket and close bracket is important. For a valid parenthesis string, like it will be like this, anything, and but if we do like this, uh, it will not be correct. For example, only open bracket. Yeah, this is incorrect. Like equal number of open bracket and curly brackets, and this will be in order. For example, this this will be correct, but if we only do this only, then it is not correct, because uh, open and close bracket should be same number and in the correct order. So let's start solving this problem. Firstly, read the question. A parenthesis string is a non-empty string consisting of only open braces and curly bracket. It is valid if any of the following condition is true. It is like open bracket and curly bracket. It can be written as AB, like this only. It can be written as A, like inside A any number will be there, and you are given a parenthesis string S and a locked string locked both of the length L, means this is the S string, this is the locked string, and both of the having same length N. Locked is a binary string consisting of 0 and 1, this 0 and 1 only, and uh, for each index I of locked, if locked I is 1, you can't change the string. If like this is 1 here, this is 1, we can't change the sequence of the string, and if it is 0 we can change. For example, this 0 we can change it into this is the 0, so this close bracket we can change the open bracket. So we are free to change for unlocked, where locked I is 0 in the string. So return true if you can make S is a valid string, otherwise return false. So uh, my approach, I would use a stack, and in the stack I will count the open number of like unlocked strings. Like if we have unlocked string equal to the open brackets, then we can solve this problem easily. And if we have open number of brackets more number of time, but we can change that string, like this 0 we can change to close bracket, then it is also fine. But other cases, like if we have more number of open bracket as then sum of both, like unlocked plus close bracket, then we can return false. So let's start this question. uh, uh, like if the firstly declare the length will be length of string, and here if length is odd, like divisible by 2 equal to 1, then we have to return false. 1 minute. We have to return false, and we have to declare open brackets, open brackets, this is the open bracket, and unlocked, this is another stack, unlocked, it will also with this, and for I in range will length for iterating all string. So and if locked of I equal to 0, then we can append this in unlocked. So unlocked, let's see, unlocked dot append I and elif if s of I equal to open bracket, then we can append this in open bracket, open brackets dot append I, else elif if it will close bracket, then there will be certain condition. If it will be close bracket, then we have to think of in three way. If open bracket is non-empty, open brackets non-empty, then we can pop it, open brackets, we can pop the last element, brackets last element, pop. And another operation, if unlocked is non-empty, unlocked, because we can change this bracket anyway. If unlocked is non-empty, then pop this, unlocked dot pop. Else, if neither of this case, we have to return false, because we can make the close bracket now. Else return false. And finally we have to do one thing, like while open bracket is non-empty, open brackets and unlocked, and if open brackets last index is less than unlocked last index. This index we are taking because we have to compare open bracket index with unlocked, because this index should always be less than unlocked elements. So if it is true, then we will pop this brackets dot pop and unlocked dot pop. And after this, if one more condition, if open bracket is still there but we don't have any unlocked, then we will return false. Open brackets is still there, so we will return false. So I think this question is completed, false. And finally return true if all this successfully run, return true. So the time complexity for this order of n, and space complexity will be order of n, because we are using stack. Yeah, this is running. So thank you.